First video, 2 Rubik's Cubes, 2 SIGs, 2 beer, speed run. Former world record, 1:28 minutes. So, initial thought, have not seen this at all, okay? Just saw the thumbnail, thought it was hilarious. Don't know what I would do here, strategy-wise. What are we going to be doing? Rubik's Cube should be no problem. The 2 SIGs, that's going to be the part where I'm struggling, because I can shotgun the beers. That's 30 seconds right there. Max. We got to be smoking the whole time we're doing the cube. I'm thinking put both in if you can handle that. Let's see what he does. World record, this must be one of the best methods here. World class lesson in degeneracy, I guess. Bro, attempt number 4. So he's not even fresh right now. We don't have a fresh Robbie Bolt. Just taking it all in, you know? I wonder if other people do the same thing on their back porches and stuff.
My time to beat is 3 minutes 33 seconds. I can't remember the world record, but it's
on top of that, he dressed up for this. Okay, look at that. He's not just like schlubbing it to Walmart. About to possibly smash a world record, I assume. I want to see his strategy first. That doesn't seem like a lot of beer, man. That would be doable.
Around 1:30. You can see it up here. Will I beat that? Who knows? But I'm hoping for under 2 minutes. Also, the up top camera is dead, so hopefully you can see what I'm doing.
I hate to pause this. I'm sorry. Interesting tactic, okay? So he already downed 1 beer. He's smoking on one of the stoves right now. 2 cubes, dude. I take back everything I said, man. I don't know if I could do 2 cubes. It takes me like a minute. But wow. Bro, his mouth, bro, his throat must be flaming right now. That's nasty work. Dude, he's got to smoke a whole nother one, too, and solve both cubes? There's no way.
1 sec down.
Okay. Cleared that. Okay. Had to focus on that first one. He's definitely faster than me, but he's not insanely fast. Oh, I can't even imagine the head rush while trying to do this all at once. That's crazy work. Dude, 4th attempt, too. I mean, he's not fresh to this. He's almost through a whole pack.
Oh.
Oh.
That baby. 1 minute and 28 seconds.
Ugh, bro, the aftermath would be wild. Ugh. You wouldn't even feel the beer, I feel like. That's the least of your problems.
Just to confirm, I'm proud to have my record back. Once again, I nominate Yi Hang Wang. Have a good one, y'all.
What? That was a child. What? Huh? Wow. I need to level up, you know? That's peak human right there. Man, thank you to the recommended page for giving me some fire. We're gonna like that. Honestly, I'm down. What do you got? What else you got, bro? How old is this? Is a month ago. Okay, Mr. Robbie Bolt. Oh, he keeps on doing it. This is not his. Oh, we gonna do this right now? Oh, this is like an initial run while being waterboarded. This guy is wow. Let's watch his first attempt just to see.
This is the last time I'm doing this shit. This is the final attempt of the 2-2-2 challenge. I'm done explaining this shit to y'all. That's been.
Dude, the demeanor change is crazy. So, I think he was struggling with this for quite some time. And within 3 weeks, he chopped his time in less than half.
What's up, it's me, Net Spam. So the 2-2-2 challenge consists
bad dude.
Tests of drinking 2 beers, smoking 2 ciggies, and solving the Rubik's cubes. This little slime's record to beat is 4 minutes and 55 seconds.
4 minutes 55. Dude, he's gonna crush that. We already know
Let's
that.
go. Drank.
Thank you, Ness.
Bro, it took somebody 5 minutes? That's kind of insane. I could definitely do this in 5 minutes. I could beat 3. I think I could do sub 3.
I got these 2 beers I expired in 96.
The
We're gonna be
fuck?
cracking these open and seeing how they taste.
Expired in 96. Are they like more dank now? Is it the same as wine? Awesome, dude.
Are you on a spectrum of some kind?
Smells pretty good.
No, it doesn't.
These are foaming like crazy, my lord.
This seems like a really interesting person. Would love to hang out with him for like one day, you know, just to see, and then you're pulled right out, you know, because you can't. I'm not conditioned for a life like this, you know. He's living on a whole different kind of a level.
Guys, I don't know if this is safe to drink. There's like low floaters in it. I don't know what that's from. It'll be fine.
I hope it's not the can degrading, because that would be definitely bad. But I'm sure he's alive, right? 3 weeks later, he's fine.
Way enough. Yep.
You think that's what did it? Do you think that's what helped him do that? Is that what gave him superhuman abilities?
Cat cam.
Oh, we didn't get the cat cam last time. What's up, bro? Let's see what changed.
Our plan is to just get 1 cigarette out and then do the cubes and everything after.
Okay, we can skip a little bit on this one. He
We
blasts the cig. What?
throw rocks at his front door. Bitch boy letting all the lung yummies out. We must throw rocks at his front door.
All right. Yeah, he's like focusing mainly on the cigarettes here. I think maybe it hit how important it is to kind of space it out a little bit. Then he's going for the cube. Look like a 20-second. Dang, whoa. 15 seconds. All right, yeah, that was like 21 seconds. So he's pretty fast, dude. Almost sub 20. I want to see his updated one now. But yeah, he was just slacking. He wasn't trying as hard. He was locked in on this last one. Okay, a live 1v1. Here we go. Oh, huge nostalgia.
And we are off to the races. Both competitors opting for the beer first. Definitely an interesting strategy.
Okay, now we're going beer first.
We see both of them have a 6-second chug
So?
split. Very well paced. Oh, Robbie with the immediate fumble. Oh, not being able to get the lighter off in time while Bruno is already an eighth of the way through his cigarette and onto the
Oh my goodness, Bruno. Bruno's on a whole nother
cube.
level.
Robbie opting not to worry about going for the cubes yet, but trying to get the sig down as fast as possible. Definitely an interesting strategy. Yeah, we did see something that Robbie has seemed to struggle with over these attempts.
Oh, Bruno's a pro, man. I don't know. He has the edge here. He's got a whole cube done.
Is the beer chug, opting for several large gulps with breaths in between. Bruno able to just
I'm sorry. Is Bruno inside? Bruno, are we inside doing this? Are we ruining a garage and or bedroom? Bruno?
hammer that down. And Bruno, already 1 cig deep, lighting up the second one. He's already got a cube down. All Bruno has left is
Yeah, it's all gonna hit Bruno at once. I think he's rushing this a little bit. We're 45 seconds in. He's clearing a second cigarette.
1 apiece of cigarette cube and beer. Robbie, now a cigarette down, opting to start the second cigarette. Hasn't even touched the cube, starting now. Bruno on PLL of his second cube at just the 1 minute mark. Bruno right
Bruno's
now just has
smashing.
1 cig and then 1 beer left. And yeah, you look at that. Bruno's already on to the last beer. Well ahead of Robbie. Bruno slamming that down. That is a 117 world record for the 2 cig, 2 cube, 2 beer challenge.
Oh, he doesn't even know, dude. I don't know if he knows. I don't think he does.
Robbie is still fighting off that last cig, last cube, and hasn't even touched the last beer. Yeah, Bruno on the right, you're still celebrating. I mean, why wouldn't you be? We saw Bruno go
Oh,
right
Robbie didn't even clear his best time.
into a perfect execution onto that light. quick as he can. And Robbie is getting past the 2-minute mark here.
Yeah, see, that's rookie stuff for Bruno. It ain't all the
Still
way
got a
down.
beer chug to go.
Oh no, Robbie
It
did
is
the
not
same. Alright, whatever.
looking good. Robbie almost half as slow as Bruno on this first attempt.
Dang, I'm just biased, man. I just wanted Robbie to win. Ah, I'm sorry. Median of 3. I didn't even realize that. They're doing 3 rounds of this? Is this what content is now?
A 2:06 for Robbie. Yeah, you could hear him. He is not too thrilled with that.
Bruno just going on, talking about nonsense. Come on, Bruno. You won. We don't need to hear it.
Yeah, we're going to get right into this next one. You got
Dude, I think Robbie can pull this out. I really do, and my money's on him. All right. I think Bruno just has technique here. I mean, he's multitasking way better than Robbie. Robbie's not multitasking. He's just doing one thing at a time. Different Stogs too, right? Are they both? Is he? Because Bruno's got some camels. Like, are we really making sure this is like, what is it? Regulation?
to wonder what strategy both have in mind
Oh
for the attempt.
no, it's best median. Oh, Robbie has so much less of a chance than I thought. I think that's a dumb way to do this, to be honest, but whatever.
Number 2, competitors, are you ready? Here they are, they're going. Bruno going for the beer first strat again. Robbie opting to go for a cigarette this time and opt to solving the cubes. We see a 7-second beer split there from
Stick
Bruno.
to the method.
Definitely great timing. Bruno now going for the light and a cube solve. Robbie, very slow pace, cross isn't even solved.
I don't know. Do you think drinking the beer first would help? Like maybe coat your mouth a little bit for the cigarette? Or opposite, maybe smoke the stove helps with drinking the beer faster. But I kind of think Bruno's got on point with his method.
Robbie, what are you doing? Both Bruno and Robbie have finished their first cube at the same time, but Robbie hasn't done his first beer, only started his first cig. Bruno well into his first
Hold
cig
up
now
here.
And beer. Done with the first cig.
Now we know Robbie can smoke, okay? He's got this.
Actually for Bruno. Well ahead, able to catch up to Robbie. Woo, 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 woo.
I've never wanted somebody to smoke
Just
so
stellar
bad.
solving there. Ooh, oh, the mess up on OLL from Bruno there. Let's get a quick replay of that. Yeah, you see Bruno here.
We're doing replays?
Get to OLL. Doing the S move in reverse, and having to go right back into F sexy F prime. Smooth
Oh, okay. All right. Okay.
PLO transition. He is on to just the last sig here at the 104
Slam
mark.
that shit, Robbie. Slam
Robbie
that
only starting his second sig. Both cubes down though.
Oh, I thought Robbie had 2 down.
See Bruno tossing that second sig in the ashtray. Now he's got the beer chug left. Oh, he is so far ahead of Robbie here. It's another wash.
Bro, stomp him. Stomp him, bro.
For Bruno.
He's going to chain this thing down for no reason. Tell him he lost.
Robbie's still got a whole cigarette and a whole beer left to go. Bruno maybe throwing up a little bit, feeling the...
Yeah, Bruno. It's hitting Bruno. 3 rounds of this is nasty. Like, what are we doing, guys?
Effects of these beers and cigarettes. The drunk cig famously has no debuffs, but that alcohol still gets to you.
Alright, this is just hard to watch. Robbie, I mean...
And there's the time there, 120. Cig wasting precious time. 155 starting the second beer. Big sips, not opting to chug.
Yeah, well, they're
Huge
burned out
time
now.
waste there for Robbie, 202.
Dang, man. He pulled a 128 and it didn't even matter. This guy's clearing way under him.
He knows. He knows he's getting blown out up here. Yeah, we're moving on to the third attempt here. Yeah, you can see right there at the start.
We're not even having a fair fight then. If y'all don't even have the same equipment, y'all ain't even making sure it's good.
There, Robbie's lighter is out of gas, making it even that much harder to get the attempt going. All right, folks, here we go into the third and final attempt. Right now, Bruno well in the lead. It's actually impossible right now.
Yeah, it's not possible. He'd have to do it in 30 seconds. In like 20 seconds. Like,
for Robbie to take it out, considering we're going for a medium and put them next. Come on, Robbie. There's still hope for a good time. Both competitors. Robbie getting cube number 1 done. Bruno onto PLL.
Porn addiction turns high IQ.
Oh, whoa. What a ad, bro. Whoa. Yeah, dude, he's not going to win. There's just no way. There's nothing he can do. But, yeah, I guess a good solve would be nice, you know, to kind of redeem yourself.
Within 35 seconds is finished 1 cube, 1 beer, and 1 cig. That alone might
Dude, Bruno's a freak. That man's wild.
be a split world record for the challenge. Robbie's still on his first cig, wrapping up cube number 2, shaking his head. He knows he's already well behind pace. Bruno on cube number 2 onto OLL.
Dude, the pressure is really hitting him, I think.
Asun into PLL. U-perm. Bruno is done with
It's
both
so
cubes
over.
at the 102 mark.
Oh, Bernie's.
Wrapping up that second sig, Robbie just starting his. Oh, and here comes the beer chug for Robbie, but it's big sips. Bruno taking his time, getting a little nauseous. I see him starting to feel it. Bruno going very slow here on this beer chug. He knows he's got room to go. And here we are, a 130 from Bruno. Median time of 122. It is a wrap, people. Robbie's still just finishing his
Just
second
round it out,
cigarette now,
man.
but hasn't even touched the beers. Beers especially have been Robbie's weakest part of his challenge attempts, having to go those big
Barely
sips
finished
instead of
that.
being able to chug like a man. Never mind, he did have both beers done. It's a 153 for Robbie, but man, it is too little, too late.
Yeah, his best time yet, but not enough. Dang, Robbie. I'm rooting for you though, man. Keep it up, I guess. Don't kill yourself though. Maybe just get out of this. At least don't do the SIGs part. You know. Anyway, that was wild. I didn't expect any of that. I'm sorry for the derailment, you guys, to the plans today. But yeah, we got a little bit more time then. You know, so we're good. We're good. We're gonna get into the next one now, you guys. Next one's gonna be 30 celebrities fight for $1 million.